Looking for the best hospitals in India for vulvar cancer treatment? Explore a list of the top 10 hospitals renowned for treating vulvar cancer, specially catering to international patients. Discover expert care, advanced treatments, and personalized services tailored to your needs. Whether you are seeking the best medical facilities or top-notch healthcare professionals, these hospitals offer a comprehensive approach to vulvar cancer treatment. Find out why these hospitals are the preferred choice for international patients seeking quality care in India. Vulvar cancer is a rare type of cancer that affects the external female genitalia. It can be a challenging diagnosis to navigate, but with the right medical team and treatment plan, patients can achieve successful outcomes. India has emerged as a hub for medical tourism, offering state-of-the-art facilities, internationally trained specialists, and cost-effective treatment options for patients from around the globe. Criteria for selecting top hospitals. When compiling this list of the top 10 vulvar cancer treatment hospitals in India, we considered several key factors. Expertise and experience of oncologists and surgical teams, availability of advanced diagnostic and treatment technologies, success rates in treating vulvar cancer, patient reviews and testimonial services catering to international patients. Top 10 best vulvar cancer treatment hospitals in India. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai. APCC is a renowned healthcare institution with state-of-the-art facilities for treating vulvar cancer. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon. Fortis Memorial Research Institute is a leading hospital known for its advanced cancer care services. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon. Medanta Hospital boasts a team of skilled gynecologic oncologists and modern treatment facilities. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. Known for its expertise in cancer care, Tata Memorial Hospital offers comprehensive treatment for vulvar cancer. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Artemis Hospital is equipped with modern technology and experienced oncologists for vulvar cancer treatment. Aster Medcity, Kochi. This hospital is known for its holistic approach to cancer treatment, including vulvar cancer. Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. Max Super Speciality Hospital offers personalized treatment plans for vulvar cancer. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore is a trusted name in cancer care, offering comprehensive treatment options for vulvar cancers. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad provides specialized care for vulvar cancers with a focus on patient well-being. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai. This hospital has a dedicated gynecologic oncology department with a multidisciplinary team of experts. Success rates for vulvar cancer treatment in India are promising, with many patients achieving positive outcomes and improved quality of life. The success rates can be influenced by factors like early detection, the expertise of the healthcare team, and the patient's overall health. FAQs in vulvar cancer treatment. How can international patients access vulvar cancer treatment in India? International patients can access vulvar cancer treatment in India through medical tourism facilitators or by directly contacting hospitals and oncologists. It is essential to research hospitals, check their accreditation, and communicate with healthcare providers to understand the treatment options available. What support services are available for international patients in India? Indian hospitals often provide support services for international patients, including language interpreters, accommodation assistance, travel arrangements, and post-treatment follow-up care. Patients can also seek guidance from patient advocates and support groups to navigate their healthcare journey in India. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in vulvar cancer treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.